Okay. Hello. I'm playing Fortnite. Ha 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 ha. Anyways, I'm being joined by my friend. This guy. Wait, I just realized. Am I gonna have to like blur your name?
Did I? Oh yeah, wait! God damn it!
Family, I'm gonna die!
What?
I just killed someone.
I need help.
You need help? Well, I'm kind of too far away to. Oh my god! I'm sorry.
I suck. Sorry, gang.
I'm
Holla,
sorry.
gang. Holla, holla, boo.
Do I have time to save you?
Kill him! He's right there. Shoot him!
I can't. I have a freaking. You don't understand. Boy!
Kill him!
I can't. I don't have a long range weapon.
Shoot him with the shotgun!
Bro! He's coming over! You're not. You're not. Boy!
You're. Oh my god. You're god.
Let me just.
That's a long range weapon.
Okay, where is he? Oh, he's up there, huh? Whoa! 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 What is going on?
That's a C4. It's a terrorist.
Boy!
Shoot him! With a shotgun!
I'm dead!
The one time you have a short range shotgun! Shotgun!
Welcome to another video of Fortnite Battle Royale!
No. No. Oh! Bricks and you get a legendaries from us! Give me all your bricks! Please, please. Actually, you need to.
Oh!
How many bricks do you have? Give it to me! I
There's-
can buy it! I can buy it! Just give it to me! Yes! Go, 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 go! It's the content for this video!
I need him for my video! Please, I need him
Go,
for my video!
go take it, go take it!
Here, take this gun! Yes!
Where's my shout out?
Anyways, guys, go check out his YouTube channel. I put it on the screen. Go check it out. It's. I don't know what he puts there, but like, watch it. It's worth finding out, guys. No.
Keep spamming it. Keep spamming it. That's a bad idea. Actually, don't do it.
Oh yeah.
Build, build, build.
Sorry.
Build the wall.
Boy. Oh! 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 I'm running.
Oh god, this is bad.
Yo, you need help?
Yes. No, I don't. You know. No, I don't need help. No, I don't. I totally don't need help.
Sorry, Did you die?
No, I didn't. I didn't die.
I'm pretty sure you did die.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you did.
No, I didn't. No, I'm not. Boy! Oh, he had a scar!
No, boy.
Look at all that loot.
He does
Still
have
no pump.
Yo, that was the worst epic fail. It was
You're
an accident. Oh, what the hell? Boy! Should I leave Tilted? I mean, I don't want to die.
Yeah, leave it.
Leave. Goodbye, Tilted. Sayonara. What are you doing?
Just mute the volume in the video, okay?
Ding.
I'm scraping the ice cream off of the metal
Are
plate.
you like eating in a bucket or something? Oh my god! Oh my!
I think you died.
Oh! You wanna dance?
We did it at the same time!
Let's go!
We did it at the same time, what the heck?
That's so cool!
I got an RPG, Salvador.
Bro, let's switch it. Let's trade.
It's like the gun you.
Here.
That's not good enough.
Here.
Your rockets. Where's your rockets? Where's your rockets?
I don't have any rockets.
Salvador. Salvador. You know what I'm asking for right now, right?
What is it?
That gun you have in your hands.
Oh, sure, I don't mind. Oh! Can I kill them?
No! Give me the...
Yo, there's someone right here! Oh! Let's go! I want to sticky him. Oh, you killed him.
Going for his friend.
His friend? What friend? Oh, you're killing him. Oh, kill him? Oh! Boy! Kill him! There we go. I'll trade you my wood for medkit.
How many wood? How much?
206.
I'll trade... I say that I give you both my medkits for your...
For what? Boy!
For your FAMAS.
I don't think...
I'll give you my RPG for the FAMAS.
I don't think that's a good idea.
I'll give you my RPG for the FAMAS.
I don't know. I think I'm sticking with the new gun. Ah, I need your
Hey,
medkit.
I bought it to you.
I need your medkit.
I bought it for you. Now you go. No, give me the FAMAS.
Gimme your...
Give me the FAMAS. I'll give you my medkit and my RPG.
Don't
Okay.
make me do this.
I dare you to do it. I dare you to do it.
Are you sure?
Yes. I dare you.
No!
Jump.
Let's
Bye.
go! Yo, go!
Oh, catch her, catch her. Look at you still going
No! No!
Oh, catch her, catch her. For the views.
Wait! Did you just take my medkit?
No.
Get
Where did
back.
it go?
I need your medkit. No! Why? Yo! No! Come back! Come! Please stop fucking riding me!
Oh, right there, right there. 3, run in front of me. No, no, no. Oh, come here, come here, come here. They're shooting at him.
Boy! You shoot your rocket!
Yeah.
Kill him! Boy!
Wait, give me the musketeer.
Run!
Here, take the rocket and run. Take the rocket and run.
Running! Running! No! 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 You better kill him for me! You better kill him the top one! If only you didn't rocket right me.
What do you mean? What are you talking about? I didn't rocket raid you.
Yeah, you did! Boy, if you lose this.
No! At least I killed his friend, I guess.